Jesus Christ. Fucking cat.
It's over there somewhere.
Fuck. Wait, I think I see it.
Really?
No. Move the fucking trampoline. God damn it.
There it is.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my god.
Poke it with something.
Fucking cat.
Poke it with something. Throw it at it.
What is this?
I don't know, just throw it.
No, I'm gonna fucking shoot it with it.
No, don't.
Just
Put it back. We're using a blanket.
no.
No. It doesn't even have any bullets.
Damn it. I wish I did.
Now you're fucked. Now you
There it is.
Where?
Right there.
I see it.
Over there.
Look at the little fucking devil eye.
Yeah, I know. It's ridiculous. Oh my god.
You draw it. I'll get the blanket trap.
Get the
Come on. Did I just run into the door?
I hope I recorded that. Oh my god.
Best week ever.
Hey cat. Fuck you. This is ridiculous. Fucking, you ruined my Toy Story. And my fucking, whatever this is. All dogs go to heaven. And ants. Stupid cat. Get the fuck over here. Go. Ow. Wait, there it is. There it is. Oh my god.
Look at trap.
Quick, move it.
Catch a cat because it got out by accident. We're trying to catch the cat because it got out by accident. It's supposed to be locked in the laundry room while they're sleeping, but he got out when we opened the door.
Fuck, are you shitting me?
What happened is we catch her.
Oh my god.
Get up and help us.
Cody, get up and help us. Cody,
We
help us.
got the idea of a blanket trap. Get a blanket trap.
What the fuck is the carrot?
Big little bastard.
Wait, there it is.
Blanket trap.
Wait. I got it right here.
Blanket trap.
Fuck.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. What the hell?
Where'd it go?
Did it just hiss?
Go use my light.
Where'd he go? There he is.
God damn it. That's fucking smart.
Where'd he go? Dude, don't.
Where? It's over here.
Where?
Under the slide. Cody, how do you feel about this cat? How do you feel about this cat?
I don't like it.
Okay, get the fuck over here, you piece of shit. It's under Cody's mattress. Is it? Oh, what? How? God damn it.
So close. Shut up. This is all your fucking fault.
Fucking piece of shit.
God.
Fuck you. Come to Papa, bitch.
God damn it.
Cody, get a blanket trap ready.
No.
Cody.
I'm playing Doodle Jump.
Cody. Damn it, Cody.
God damn it.
No. God damn it. The fuck did you go?
Right there, it's laying down.
Oh my god. No.
We're gonna wake everybody up.
Yeah, and then we're all gonna try and get the cat.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Fuck you.
Here, wait. I'm gonna attempt to go under the mat.
Yeah, do that one to the
I am stuck.
Wait, you almost got it.
I did get it.
Oh.
Ah.
Asshole. Give him the fucking hand.
Let's go do this quick.
Oh my god.
We were trying to get the cat.
Oh, how did she get up there?
That was our fault. When I was in the kitchen, I opened the door and she ran out, and we've been chasing her for like an hour because I knew she wasn't supposed to be out.
Yeah,
Sorry about the noise.
that's okay. She's really hard to get in there.
Yeah.
We needed that music, like the do 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 do.
Why were you chasing her in your room that much?
We trapped her in our room so we could catch it. She kept running away from us every time we tried to pick her up.
So it took you a long time to get her in your room?
She was under the corner by the bed.
So we just shut the door.
Oh, okay. Next time you can call me, I can get her. Yeah.
Sorry about the noise, we didn't know.
Yeah, I know.
Did you take the cat?
Yeah. No, she just went downstairs.
Wait, do you have the cat though? Thank you. Oh my god.
How much
Okay.
video is that?
20 minutes. About.
Just to kind of catch the cat.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna be a good week.
Seriously, you need to add the music. The do 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 do
But the
do.
commentary is kind of funny in its own.
Oh my god. Okay.
Let's
now,
watch it now.
Yeah, now we're gonna have to watch it. And just. Fucking
Cody,
cat.
where's my iPod?
Right here on the ground.